Today we're at MK AUTOBODY, my home away from home. We're here with Hugh Stewart's 2003 BMW M3. Car races in the SCCA Touring T1 class. This is a sprint race car, so races are 35 minutes usually. They take place on Saturday and Sunday. 2 races per weekend. As far as lap times go, Road to Atlanta went 132s. Sebring International Raceway was 216s on the old motor. Supposed to be a little bit faster this year. Sonoma Raceway was 143s, and Virginia International Raceway at Watkins Glen was sub 2 minutes. So gives you an idea of what this car is kind of capable of. This car still is running the same H-pattern gearbox, AIM electronics, all the cage work, fabrication work is all done by High Speed Motorsports. Full MCS adjustable suspension, extended studs, slotted rotors. We just recently completed some repairs this week on the car after a nasty crash that pushed in the driver's side quarter panel. So everything's pulled back out now. Had to get this done quick as race season starts next week. The car needs to be down in Florida. So still got a little bit of room to go before it's actually completed. Hugh's picking it up today. We're just finishing up on our end, and that's it. So should be a good race season for this car. Seems like every time we fix it, apparently, according to others, it gets a little bit quicker. So we'll see if that stands true. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you'd like to follow High Speed Motorsports or Hugh Stewart, info is right here at High Speed Motorsports on Instagram. But thanks for watching.